This 5-minute solution will show you how to use live speech voice on iPhone. Go to your iPhone settings, scroll down, tap on accessibility, scroll down. Under speech section, you will get the live speech option. So tap on that. Now enable live speech from here. Now to use the live speech or voice, all you have to need just triple tap on this power button, or if you have home button, then triple tap on the home button. 1 2 3. Now type to speak. Tap on send.
Hello, how are you?
You can live speech your favorite phrases by tapping on phrases. Tap on favorite phrases. Tap on this plus icon, and here you can add your favorite phrases.
I love you all.
So this is how we can use live speech voice on iPhone. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.